Hello everyone, my name is Eliana Vila Vergara. A meaningful experience for this course was learning to identify places of articulation. For example, understand the difference between and d. Help me improve my pronunciation of words like think and that. Throughout the course, my English skills have improved a lot. First, my listening skills are better because I can now recognize stress syllables. Second, my speaking fluency has increased. I pay more attention to write and intonation. For instance, I no longer pronounce all syllables with the same stretch. And I also learning to use recent intonation for yes, no question. Like, are you happy? And falling intonation for statements like, I'm happy. This course was very useful for my pronunciation. Thank you. Bye bye.